Okay, today at the Solace City Bungalow Phase 2 here in Elerongbe, Ibeju-Lekki, Lagos. I'm here to show you, to give you the latest site updates on what has happened here after the last time I visited. The lovely bungalow behind me is a 4-bedroom bungalow that comes with a BQ. We also have a 3-bedroom bungalow here that comes with a BQ. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Joan of Johnny Homes Realty, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate, landed properties, and short-term real estate investments. And this is the perfect time for you to tap on your subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever I will drop updates on this channel. I'll flip the camera. We are going to tour the estate together. I have a lovely 4-bedroom bungalow here, and I also have a lovely 3-bedroom bungalow here that comes with a BQ. This location is 100% habitable, so do well to watch the video to the very end. I'll move around the estate. We are going to tour the 4-bed bungalow. We are going to tour the 3-bed bungalow. When I got into site, I also noticed that the drainage system has been fixed. Work is still in progress, and that there are so many bungalows that we've started doing the plastering work. We started roofing. A whole lot is going on site today, so I urge you to make sure you watch this video till the very end. Enjoy the rest of it. I'll see you shortly. Okay, viewers, welcome back. Our gatehouse construction is ongoing. We have lovely features in this estate. We have a court, we have a football pitch, and we have a central swimming pool. Okay, the bungalow that you are seeing here is a 4-bedroom bungalow. You know how we do it. I'm going to give you a 360, then we'll come back and see what has happened, what is going on inside. But when I stepped into the estate, I moved into this bungalows, and I realized that we've even started doing our interior. So very soon this bungalow is going to come out clean. So I believe the next time I'll visit Solace City Bungalow Phase 2, you will be wowed at the level at work in here. Okay, so I'm going to give you a 360. This is your parking space. Okay, this is your parking space. It can contain 4 cars or even more. Okay, so this is a 4-bed bungalow. So let me give you a 360, then we'll come back and look at the space together. If you are seeing this video for the very first time, please watch it to the very end. If you are in need of a bungalow here in Elerongbe, Ibeju-Lekki, you need to watch this video to the very end as well. Okay, so this is the BQ. Let me show you the BQ before we so this is your toilets. This is the BQ. Okay, work is still ongoing. So this is still part of your compound. Okay, this is your kitchen. Okay, we're going to look at it, but let's keep going. We are plastering. All right, well done. So let's step inside. You have this space to yourself. Then stepping in, this is the living room. So we are preparing to set up the furnitures. You know how we do it. Set it up so that we'll give you a lovely sample unit, so that when you visit Solace City, you would have a clear picture of what your bungalow would look like. Okay, so that's why you're seeing all this. So this is your living room. This is the living room space. Okay, here can serve as your dining area. Okay, this is one room here. Remember, we are currently looking at the 4-bed. All right. We're still going to look at the kitchen. We have the visitors' toilets over there. I don't know if I can pass here, but I'll try so that I want to show you everything. So this is your visitors' toilet. So that's the visitors' toilet. We are here to fix everything. Okay, this is more like a hallway that will lead you to another room. Then we have this mirror here, and this is me, your favorite realtor. So stepping in, there's something I noticed. Unlike what we did in the Solace City Phase 1, this concept of wardrobe, I don't know if you like it. Let me open it for us. But I think I like it. Okay, at least this developer is doing something different. Okay, so you see, then we also have this ones. Okay, so you have enough space. So you see, I think I love this concept. So the plan is to this room is for kids. That's the plan. Okay, remember, it's a sample unit, so we are just trying to paint a picture for you. All right, then let's see another room here. This is another room here. This is the wardrobe. Let me open it so you see. This is the wardrobe. And this is another wardrobe. Then this is the toilet and bath. Okay. So for the ladies, just need to press this. It opens. You can put your cosmetics there, your makeup stuffs. You already know what you can do with the mirror. So this is the room. So this is the last room. Okay. And you have a wardrobe over here as well. So let's get to the 3-bed. Let's have a look at the 3-bed bungalow. After we're done looking at the 3-bed, we are going to move around the estates, and I will show you the nature of work in the estates. Okay, don't forget to tap on your subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever I drop updates on this channel. So this is a 3-bed. Okay, I'll give you a 360. Well done. See what the back of the house looks like. And we are back here to the front. This can contain 4 cars. All right, so Let's step into the 3-bed. So stepping in, this is your living room of the 3-bed. It's a 3-bed living room. Guest toilets. This can serve as a box room or something. It's one room here. Remember, we are touring the 3-bed, okay? Second room here. Let's have a look at the toilets. So let's see the third room. So this is the third room of the 3-bed. Okay. This is your toilet and bathroom. No. A lot of things are packed here. So that's the wardrobe. I don't know if it's just me. Are you in love with this living room? Because I'm in love with it. Honestly, I'm in love with this living room. Talk about the space. Talk about the natural lighting. I'm really in love with it. Yeah. So let me show you the kitchen. So this can serve as your dining area in the 3-bed. So from your dining, you move to the kitchen. After you must have made that delicious meal in here, you will serve it here on the dining table. Party jollof rice to be precise, and some bottle of wine. So now this kitchen connects you to the BQ. So this is your kitchen. And you have an exit here, okay? So let's say you travel, you can lock up your home. Whoever that is here will not have access to your home, okay? So this is your kitchen door, and this is an entrance and also an exit, okay? So step in, and this is the BQ. Have a look at the BQ. This is the BQ. And this is the toilet and bath of the BQ. So I'm in love with the 3-bed living room because it's very spacious. Yeah, I'm in love. So let's look at other parts of the estate. Let's see what is going on there. So these are going to serve as our sample units. We have other units coming up. Don't worry, I'm going to give you a tour today. We're going to move around all the estates. This is another unit coming up here. This developer is very intentional. This is a drainage system here already in place. Trust me, you need a home here in Solace City Bungalow Phase 2. Yes, you do. You need a 3-bedroom here selling for 72 million naira. a 4-bed selling for 85 million naira. 5 million naira deposits, and you secure a unit here. You see, workers are on site. We have roofed. We started doing both the internal and external wall plastering. Let me show you. Well done. So you see workers are on site and we are working. Well done. Thank you. More units of the bungalows we've roofed. Well done. We've roofed all this and we are plastering. Okay. This one's we are about to kickstart. Okay. We are also going to be launching soon. And you know, when a project is launched, it moves from pre-launch price to the market price. In order not to be buying these bungalows at a higher price, just make that 5 million naira deposit so that you secure your spot ASAP. Because once we launch, the prices of these bungalows will increase. Well done. Good afternoon. Well done. Good afternoon. So these are still more units of the bungalows coming up. All right. Okay, viewers, that brings us to the very end of this store here in Solace City Bungalow Phase 2. You saw the sample units of the 3-bed and the 4-bed. We're able to move around the estates as well. More units of bungalows are coming up. Our Gatehouse construction is 90% ready. Okay, so that we have a good working drainage system. So if this fits into what you are looking for, remember that the 3-bed is in the market for 72 million naira pre-launch price, and the 4-bed is 85 million naira pre-launch price. We are going to be launching this estate very soon, so you're better off making your deposit so that you can secure this at the pre-launch price. Till I come your way again, John of Johnny Homes Realty. Till next time, bye.